So here in the cockpit of the Scout 235 XSF, this boat is powered by a V8 4.6 liter naturally aspirated 250 horsepower Mercury Verado engine. We have a full walk across along the transom with a raw water washdown on the starboard side. Bait well is standard to the port side. Stern seat comfortably seats two. Stows up really nice and clean. It gives you a padded bolster if you're fishing off the back end. Telescoping boarding ladder to the starboard side. Designated cockpit door that locks closed. Self-bailing cockpit with undergunnel rod storage beneath both sides. There's also LED rope lighting beneath the gunnels throughout the boat. This is the standard leaning post configuration, which includes rod holders, a grab rail, cup holders, and an igloo cooler beneath. And features flip-up bolsters that work independently of each other. We have a C-deck foam helm pad for some added cushion when you're standing. Fusion Bluetooth stereo is standard. Trim tabs are standard. And this boat has the optional LED indicators. Glove box with charging ports are standard. All of our toggle switches are here and illuminated. Garmin 942 XS is standard. This model has the 4-inch Mercury vessel view display. Edson steering wheel on a tilt base, has a steering knob and includes a rubber back for added comfort and grip. Optional items for the hardtop include the storage bag and the rocket launchers. We've also got a freshwater sprayer on this boat. And fender pros, which are quick disconnects for your fenders. So you have a total of 4 pins and 4 receivers. Coming around to the port side with a really spacious head. Porcelain toilet with its own holding tank. Dockside pump out. Batteries, battery switch, fire extinguisher, overhead light. Forward we have this beautiful chase lounge that very comfortably seats two with armrests that are integrated into the hardtop frame. Got bow seating with backrests that easily remove. And there's storage beneath the seats on both sides. Everything's finished out and drained, so you can use these as coolers if you wish. Ton of storage beneath the chase lounge. Also drains. And this is an insulated lid that will keep ice if you want to use this as a fish box. JL audio speakers are upgraded with that Fusion stereo. Anchor lockers forward. And we have the optional bow rod / cup holder receivers. So in addition to holding a rod or a cup, the bow is also ready for a sunshade. And that's a look at our Scout 235 XSF. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're off Daniel Island at 142 Sportsman's Island Drive. Give us a call at 843-747-1889 if you have any questions or interest about this boat or any of our others. Thanks for watching.